Today's episode is about my favorite day in Hawaii, day number 4. The reason it's my favorite one is because in one day we got to drive to Kona, so I was able to see the ocean from the road, which is a beautiful sight to see. And we also went to Kua Bay, and the beach there had become during that trip my second favorite beach in the Big Island of Hawaii, with the first one being Manini'Owali. And thirdly, because at the end of the day we went to a sunset cruise, which was absolutely beautiful. And today's episode it's going to be about the drive to Kona and the afternoon we spent at Kua Bay. And while editing this video, I wondered how old the lava around us was, so I decided to look it up, and here it is. When you start driving from Waikoloa by the sea down towards Kona, the first major lava flow is from 1859, and it came from the Mauna Loa volcano. And then the next flow further south, it came from the Hualalai volcano, and it's from 1800. And then the third flow, basically right where Kona airport is, if you recall the lava around us when we were landing at the airport, that flow is also from the Hualalai volcano, and it's from 1801, so quite old. Well, that's considering how short our lifespan is. The human lifespan, 200 years, it's quite a bit for us, but keep in mind that it took 1 million years for the Big Island to be created by the 5 major volcanoes. I believe they're Mahukona, Kahala, Mauna Kea, Hualalai, which I just learned about today, Mauna Loa, and Kilauea. Kailua Kona is located just a few miles south of the Kona International Airport, and it's a lovely town located in the middle of the Kona coast. There are many shops and farmers markets selling locally produced items, and there is a good offering of restaurants, bars, little shops, and galleries. Just past the motorcycles on the right hand side you will see a sign for Baba Gump restaurant, which unfortunately it's not there anymore. We were there on December 4th eating dinner, or December 3rd, and they did close down on December 16th, unfortunately. However, because we were there, I was able to record that beautiful view right over there at sunset. It was amazing, and I can't wait to share that video with you. I love wandering around in Kona. I love going to the galleries, to the little gift shops, to the little clothing shops, to the little jewelry shops. It's one of these places where you go and you want to buy everything. After a quick stroll through town, we headed back to Kua Bay to spend the afternoon at the beach. Oh, and if you're visiting the Big Island of Hawaii, definitely bring your Costco card, because gas at Costco in Kona was only 20 cents more expensive than gas in Phoenix. Manini'Owali Beach at Kona Bay, it's where we came to see the sunset right after we arrived at Kona Airport. And little did I know, it was going to become my second favorite beach after Manini'Owali and the Big Island of Hawaii. One of the things you should bring with you when going to Kua Bay, it's definitely tennis shoes, because just north of the beach there is a beautiful path that goes up the lava flow and you get these beautiful 360-degree views from the ocean, the beach and the island. Another must over there, it's snorkeling gear, a GoPro, and most importantly, learn how to use the GoPro. Don't be me. We hope you enjoy.